Today we're reviewing a collection of top-rated sharpening tools available on Amazon, perfect for anyone who works with chainsaws, bandsaws, or oscillating tools. First up is the electric chainsaw sharpener, a compact 120-volt bench grinder that delivers fast and accurate sharpening for almost any saw chain. It's lightweight, easy to mount, and ideal for homeowners or professionals who want consistent cutting performance without paying for sharpening services. Next, we have the universal saw chain sharpener, which stands out for its versatility. It fits a wide range of chain sizes, and Amazon reviewers love its precise angle adjustments and smooth grinding action. The chainsaw sharpener grinding wheel is another great accessory. It's durable, long-lasting, and designed to maintain the perfect tooth profile, making it a reliable replacement wheel for most electric sharpeners. For bandsaw users, the Timberwolf bandsaw blade is highly rated for its smooth cutting, reduced vibration. Welcome back to Tools Met. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most important machines for any sawmill operation, the bandsaw blade sharpening machine. If your bandsaw blades are getting dull quickly, this machine brings them back to life with precision sharpening. The automatic feed system moves the blade smoothly across the grinder, while the high-speed sharpening will restores each tooth with perfect accuracy. One of the biggest advantages is consistency. Instead of uneven sharpening by hand, this machine ensures uniform tooth angles, smoother cuts, and longer blade life. Sawmill owners love how it reduces blade replacement costs and boosts overall productivity. With adjustable settings for depth, angle, and feed rate, it works for a wide range of bandsaw blades. The heavy-duty metal frame keeps vibrations low, giving you cleaner, more professional results every time. For anyone running a sawmill or working with large bandsaws, the bandsaw blade sharpening machine is a must-have tool. It saves time, saves money, and keeps your blades performing at their best. This is Tools Met, bringing you the best tools, reviews, and sharpening solutions.